In this video, we will show you how to customize the watch face on your Forerunner 165 series smartwatch. To start, press and hold the menu button. Then press the Start/Stop button to select watch face. Use the up or down buttons or the touchscreen to see all available watch face options. Press the Start/Stop button to make a selection. Now you can customize the watch face layout that you selected. Scroll down and select Customize. Then scroll down and select Data. This will allow you to customize the data displayed on the watch face. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the different data options available on the watch. Press the Start/Stop button when ready to make a selection. Continue this process until you've customized all the data on the watch face. You can also customize the accent color for your watch face. First, select Customize, followed by Accent Color. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the available color options. Now, select your preferred accent color. Once done customizing the watch face, select Apply to enable the watch face. And that's it. You can now customize the watch face on your Forerunner 165 series smartwatch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.